morning, students. So in warm-up video, you found the topic, you found the idea about topic that the sentence we have to study in that chapter. But grammar link page number 17. Actually, in grammar book also, it is not given, but nothing, no issue. Simple, compound, and complex sentence we have to cover now. So first of all, I have written the sentence. Okay, this is a tough issue, tough job, but we will start it very easily. Okay, so tell me, I eat a mango. I is what? Subject. Eat is what? Verb. And this one is what? Predicate. Actually, from the verb till the here, we are saying that this is predicate. But actual, I am asking about the actually subject and verb. So, what the idea we get? Having one subject and one verb, it is called simple. Okay? And this sentence is independent. So, independent clause. And clause is what? Phrases like that. Clause is what? The sentence parts. So independent यानी कि ये डिपेंड नहीं है किसी पे, they are independent, निर्भर हैं, इनको किसी की जरूरत नहीं होती है. Like that, see the second sentence. He watched TV, so Mamta played in the park. Two work is going on. Okay. So first of all, we will see this one. He watched TV. He watched TV. This one is not depend on this, and this one is not depend on this. They both don't need any dependency to each other. इनको इसकी जरूरत नहीं है, इनको इसकी जरूरत नहीं. The meaning is actually complete. Each and every sentence here. Only this one. So what result we got? Two independent clause. Independent clause number of two. And we are adding with the coordinate conjunction. Coordinate conjunction. As you know, in grammar, rules are important, but how much rules we can learn? It's not easy. So without learning, just like formula, we will learn. We will start out this coordinate conjunction, and only 7 coordinate conjunction you have to know. This is one: fan, boys, for, and, not, but, of, or, yet, so. Again, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Okay. So these 7 conjunction, if it is coming in a sentence and adding the sentence to independent clause, that is called compound sentence. Now complex. See, complex matlab hi jatil, complex one. The students are studying because पढ़ रहे हैं, क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं? This sentence is depend on that. They have an exam tomorrow. If I write only this one, they have an exam tomorrow. The meaning is fulfilled. But this sentence needs this one to fulfill its meaning. So what do you found? One independent, okay, and two or more than two dependent clause. Dependent clause and adding with subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunction. And what you found subordinate conjunction is what? Because, which, how, we. Suppose this is the boy whom I talked in the morning. That is the boy which has passed from the class. So these are the sentences. I hope you got it, the point. You got the point. First of all, sentence is what? Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense, arranged in proper way. Start with the capital letters, having ending and beginning point, full stop, question mark, sign of exclamation is there, and the last one is what? Without verb, we can't imagine to make the sentence. And 3 types of actually we have to study in that: simple, compound, and complex. Again, I am repeating: simple, subject and verb. It means only one independent clause, simple sentence. One independent, two independent clause adding with the coordinate conjunction. These are the 7 coordinate conjunction. Compound. One independent, 2 or more than 2 dependent subordinate conjunctions, that is complex. Understood? So I'll show you the book also in the last. See, this one is given here. Okay, the wrong one, but I have cleared in the shortest way. So you will just read one time from the grammar book also. In the grammar book it is not given, no issue. But first of all, just read and fix in mind the rules. Simple it is, simple sentence, and you can also see. First one, simple sentence. Second one, simple sentence. So it means 2 simple sentence make the compound. Okay. Here, one simple sentence, one dependent make the complex. So I hope your concept is clear. Thank you. See here, a simple sentence also called an independent clause. What I have explained in the video, what I have explained, you have watched it also, but see this one again. Independent clause contains a subject and a verb, and it expresses the complete thought. This is what? Simple. Compound, two independent clause joined by coordinator. Coordinate conjunction is what? Fanboys. 7 types of, again I'll tell you 7 types. And last one is what? Complex. So these are the sentence type on the basis of structure: simple, compound and complex. Okay. And some more thing I will show you. Here coordinate conjunction fanboys. I will explain this. For is for reason, and is for addition, nor in the sentence, and not यानी एक नहीं चुनने के लिए, but is for contrast, or is for options, yet is for unexpected outcome, and so is for result. Okay, so 7 types of coordinate you have got. Now after that let's start for the classwork. Okay.